The Elmwood cabinets in this display are a combination of a painted recessed door, polished stainless steel, along with brushed stainless drawer fronts, natural walnut with a velvet finish, which is a new finish to this line that I'll explain in just a moment. You'll notice a level of detail in this hood that you will not find in most manufacturers. Through each piece made on this hood, the grain matching goes all the way through. That is something that is very hard to pull off, and most cabinet manufacturers will not go to that extent to offer something like this in their product line, just because it's so very difficult to manufacture. In this display, we used a natural walnut finish with a velvet top coat, which is a protectant top coat, which also makes it feel kind of almost like baby skin on it. It's very soft and subtle to the touch. It's a very unique finish that only this manufacturer offers. On the countertop on this display, we've used a natural product known as quartzite. Quartzite is newer to the marketplace. Granite has been around a long time. Quartzite has been around as well, but not mined to the extent that it is mined today. This particular quartzite is known as white oblivion. It's one of my favorites. It actually appears as if smoke is coming out of the fissures in the stone itself.